So sorry about that. That last battery went from like 55 minutes to like maybe 20 and it was done. So again, we have the pump out, forward clutch drum, reverse clutch, overdrive band. Next is the gear train. So this is the hub that indexes the forward clutches. We have our shell, which indexes the lugs on the reverse drum. We have the shaft that ties forward clutch into the direct clutch in the back. You have a snap ring here that retains the center support. You can get out by hand, usually with no hassle. There's a spring that loads the center support to keep it from clunking back and forth. That's the idea. You can pull out with a screwdriver. The inner sun gear. Let's see. Alright. Your low sprag. The center support there. Got to check the lugs on these too to see if they're real wore from beating around in the case. Wow. Things got a lot of play in the planets. A lot more than I'd like to see. Reverse band slides right out. Now, the snap ring goes under the reverse band. Direct clutch drum. Come on, Betty. There. She is a little bit on the stuck side. Man. If I remember correctly, we're probably going to have to, that don't look like it's going to want to come out. Yeah, it will. Our speed sensor, remember, was pretty stuck. Yeah, we're definitely just going to replace this damn thing. Man. That is nuts. Whew. Funky. So now, there's our output. I always put the case bearing in the rear because I've seen a lot of these fail and it'll ruin case, output, everything. So if you're just swapping the shaft, you'd have to go through this. And we're not done yet. Close. ring gear, there's a snap ring. And you have a snap ring here. And of course, pull our rings off here. This is why I said it doesn't really matter if you've got a rear-wheel drive or four-wheel drive, because the components necessary to change, you know, you're going to have to swap them on either style. So say you had a good tranny, you're just swapping the shaft to run the different adapter to make it work with that Dana transfer case. You'd still have to, if it was me, I'd get a sealer ring kit and obviously the gaskets. So there you go. All that for that bad boy. I'll do a comparo here to show you the difference as far as in length. Show you how much we're dealing with here. So this is a four-wheel drive, we should say. There's your four-wheel drive right there. And there's the new going in it for the Dana. So there's your difference, quite a bit actually. I want to say they claim something like a quarter or maybe 3/8 of an inch difference from one of these with this kit versus whatever they put in from the factory on the V8. So we'll see. So there you go. If you're doing the advanced adapters conversion for a 470W to go into an older Bronco with a Dana 20, at this point you could put this on here and reassemble. However, this transmission has to be rebuilt, so we got to go deeper into that.